For use with Presto food dehydrators model numbers 06300001, 06300102, 06300203 and 06300302. Ideal for drying small foods that may stick. Perfect for small foods that may fall through drying grates. Flexible for easy food removal and cleaning. Contains 2 drying screens. Top reviews from the United States. Great for smaller herbs and easy to clean. Purchased to use for smaller herbs instead of trying to rescue parchment paper. Easy to clean and store when not in use. I do not notice any lingering smells from using with things like garlic or onion. I have not put them in the dishwasher, so I do not know if they stand up to that, but are really easy to clean with soap and water.